G'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravan Centre. Today what we're going to be talking about is fridges. We know it's coming into the summer season at the moment, so we're going to see a lot of influx of fridges and air conditioners. Basically what we work on is we can work on any of these type of fridges, which are your little small Wacos. There are a few other brands that we also work on, which is your kick-ass ones, but basically if you have a portable fridge we can basically fix it for you. Or recommend an option if it's non-fixable. These aren't just the fridges we also work on. We also work on fridges inside caravans. So they range to your MES fridges, which is your manual electronic select fridges, and we also fix your AES fridges, which is your automatic electronic select fridges. Apart from that, there are some other types of fridges which don't have those functions, which are your older type of fridges, which basically don't have too much electronics in them. But if you have any problems with any of your fridges, say it's not getting cool or it's not working efficiently enough, bring it down to us and we can probably sort you out, okay? So if you have any comments, leave them in the comments below or just give us a call. Thanks.